We got some very good breaking news, y'all. But first, thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Also, y'all, the contest that I'm having today, we're giving away something good. Go back and watch the video that I published at 12 noon today. So far, not too many people are doing what the video says do, so that's going to greaten your chances of winning the prize. Very few has done what I've asked to do on the contest. Okay, y'all, President Trump has approved the revised stimulus package. Now, that does not mean that it's set in stone yet. That just means everybody agrees on it. They still have to go through and do the formal voting on it before it's set in stone. But it looks very, very good that it will be done. Larry Kudlow is excited. I've never seen this man excited, but he's excited today. Again, President Trump has approved the package that everybody is agreeing on now. So you got a very good shot of it being approved. Also, Donald Trump, you remember that money card that he was going to send out? He's having trouble getting it all together. What they're fighting about now is his name on the card. They're trying to figure out how to put his name on the card. Go figure. But he is having trouble getting it done before the election, but he is sending out letters to everyone, letting them know that the card is coming. This is a $200 card that's going to help people with their co-pays and paying for their medical drugs and stuff like that. So y'all be looking for that letter. And just a side note, that letter that goes out to everyone, you know how much that letter cost the United States government? Well, the taxpayers. $19 million to send that letter out to everyone. But the cards are coming, so keep an eye out on that. Also, again, the stimulus package, the revised package that everyone's agreeing on, Donald Trump has approved it. He's signed off on it. Now we just got to wait for everybody to actually vote on it and make it happen. Y'all, I feel very, very, very good that this will happen. Y'all, again, please go watch the video that I published at 12 for the contest. If you don't do what the contest tells you to do, you can't win. So very few people has done what it said to do so far. So if you didn't do what it said to do, go back and do it. You're losing a good chance to win a good prize today. I will announce that prize tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Y'all, I love you all. Please check out my links below. I did get my new book put on my website today, so go check it out. And I've also added some book bundles on there too. Be sure and check that out. I love you all. I probably won't do another video today, so until tomorrow at 6 a.m., y'all come back, see if you won that contest. I love you all. Ciao.